Little offshoots of the divide. That's the Piedra Valley. And that's where I don't know how the Utes used to, the women used to actually get back through there. I'm gonna figure it out. It's just no one knows it.
Wow. There's people hiking way down there. He has a safety vest on. It's yellow.
Yeah, this goes. You can hike down this for, I think, 15 miles along the river. I'm gonna do the whole stretch here. So. Yeah, I saw this when I was hiking down.
So where's the trailhead start then?
Over there. Oh, look, there's something. There's a trail. Look, it's another river. There's a drainage flowing over the river. It's pretty intense cliff.
Got to be careful going camping off the grid. You'll shoot your eye out, he said. You'll shoot your eye out. Nothing like the safety and security of the biggest cities on the earth, sprawling with concrete. That security. You can hold on to that. Hold on to a bar. As the world shifts.
There's spikes
hang
on it. Oh, there's spikes.
Basic rod. Basic fishing rod for an upcoming season. Something doesn't require too expensive of a permit.
Well, the good fishing, there's probably good fishing down here, but is over by kind of us on the Piedra and the offshoots. I think that's see these major drainages that are coming in? Those are super important drainages too, I think. There's an ice cave over here. We should go check that out.
Okay.
That's the Williams Creek drainage. There's a big one, and the Sand Creek.
Now the winters aren't as
really
cold
huge
as Costilla, right?
Not at all.
But it's far more moist. There's more snow.
Fuck yeah.
But it's not necessarily going to turn everything to ice.
No. No, it won't at all, actually. And here's another thing. There's no wind. So, I
Okay.
noticed out there. And they've slowly been taking it from them. So, yeah, well, it's something definitely.
Just said has helped me. All he does is ask us for a favor once in a while, whatever the fuck that means. Or ask us for something, I don't know, in return. That sounds weird. We have the tree and the rock coming together here. A couple trees here, 3 trees here. All right. You know, I feel like we're visiting an ancient city. Just a lot of these spots in Colorado, it's definitely out of the ordinary. So it looks like a series of walls stacked up over here. Ancient aliens looking for gold.
Ancient aliens.
Oh, it's got graffiti too. New York.
562.
Maria and Ken.
Ryan and Britt.
Stuck in Clinton. That's what I get for leaving stuff. Oh, really?
Yeah, further down.
The raft would just get tore up.
Class 5 rapids. Actually, that bridge is owned by like 5 different fuckers. Everyone in Costilla.
Been hiking about an hour since the last video. Clear blue skies.